So I've been looking at Bahco toolkits on YouTube here, and they all seem to be fairly well represented, all except for this one. This is the S106, the 106 piece. This is a kit that was gifted to me. I found it just so useful. I use it all the time. I tend to take it with me if I think I'm going to have to do any mechanical work, regardless of what the person I'm going to see has in the range of tools. It has all of the bits for the little screwdriver connection. They are socketed for the 1/4 inch, which is a good and a bad thing. It means you can use them on the little tiny ratchet. Although I do find that sometimes it just makes the screwdriver end a bit too fat to fit into different places. Now, as I said, this is a well-used kit. You can see that the handles are quite dirty and marked, but I mean, that's grease. That's from touching it with grease. It doesn't stop how they use. I could probably clean it up, but honestly, most of the stuff I work on is really greasy anyway. It's got a good range of sockets coming from your little, that's the 14, I believe it goes down to 10, 3/8 and 10 mil. Sort of a bit of metric, a bit of imperial, all the way up to your 34. I mean, I like the fact that it has bigger sockets because sometimes I do heavier stuff. It's also got 4 impact sockets, including a 19 and a 21, which are the 2 tyre wheel size nuts in Australia, and up to a 24 as well as a 17. So quite useful there. You've got your long extension, your short extension, that pops off there. So, and that appears to be a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. What else? You got your plug socket, your flexible joint. You flip the lid over. You've got your sockets on a bar spanner sort of thing, as well as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15-piece spanner set. There was a little plastic white container up in the corner there. I don't know where it's gone. I can't find it. But yeah, they're good quality. It's all good quality. Like I say, this one's filthy because I use it. But if you kind of have a bit of a look around, I'm always working on things, always pulling motorcycles apart. I've got a fair bit of stuff around, so like I say, I use it. I've normally got a bike up on the left. I just don't have one at the moment. I'm looking for my next project. But yeah, so that's it, the Bahco S106. I think it runs at about $250 is about what the price is now, which I think is fairly good for this sort of quality. It's all lifetime warranty. It's all, yeah, if you know what Bahco is, you know what this is. Okay then, no worries, thanks.